Unlocking the meaning of carved out. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase that might puzzle many learners, carved out. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origins, and how to use it seamlessly in conversations. Before understanding its figurative use, let's grasp the literal meaning. The word carve essentially means to cut something into a particular shape, especially using a knife or chisel. Imagine carving a pumpkin for Halloween or carving a turkey during Thanksgiving. When you carve out something, you're creating a shape or space by removing material from the whole. For instance, when an artist carves out a sculpture from a block of wood, they're literally removing parts of the wood to create a design. Now, onto its more abstract use. When people say carved out in everyday English, they often don't mean they're sculpting or cutting something physically. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of saying someone has created or established something, often against odds or from limited resources. For example, 1. She carved out a reputation for herself in the music industry. This means she established a reputation, possibly amidst competition or challenges. 2. The company carved out a niche in the market with its unique products. Here, the company found or created a specific, focused segment in the market where their products fit perfectly. Remember these tips while using carved out. 1. It's often paired with words like a niche, a reputation, or a place, indicating establishment or creation. 2. It hints at effort. The action of carving isn't easy, it requires patience and persistence. So, when you use carved out, it often implies that the task wasn't a cakewalk. 3. Don't confuse it with just carve. Saying, I will carve a reputation, doesn't sound right. It's the out in carve out that gives it the metaphorical sense of creating or establishing. And there you have it. Carved out is a beautifully illustrative phrase that conveys the act of establishing something with effort and determination. The next time you hear or read it, you'll know precisely what it means. We hope this video helps you carve out a special place for this phrase in your vocabulary. Happy learning!